see, 2019, there was the Ayodhya Deepotsav, right? And I don't understand. Some people started saying that, do you know how terrible it is? These people are lighting diyas now. And some people said, what's the problem with lighting diyas? They said, these people, these insensitive people, there is no oil. There's an oil crisis. And these insensitive people are lighting diyas. I mean, I don't understand. Where does this angle come from? Just before Raksha Bandhan, PETA starts a campaign now, Vimlendu. Don't be cruel during Raksha Bandhan. Go leather free. You put a picture of a cow and a Rakhi right before Raksha Bandhan and you say, protect me, I am a cow, go leather free. What happens to the rest of the year? Why in Raksha Bandhan? Is it making any sense? All of this is making me ask, it's not a question I'm asking, that is this a problem people have? Through the year, people who buy the most expensive shower faucets suddenly start saying, water crisis, we'll all have no water left now. Don't use water during Holi. I mean, it's good. The concept of a dry, eco-friendly Holi is good. But it's getting a little obvious, isn't it? It's getting obvious, I think.
So, yes, Arnab. So, you know what? It's so unfortunate that it's not even been 48 hours when the Prime Minister went and made some commitments on behalf of our country. And here you are doing whataboutery about what about this, what about that. We all need to do everything that's under our command to protect our environment. I don't even understand what are you talking about. Like, you know, you and I have done hundreds of shows on environment. Do we need better air or not? And in that list of 20 things, whether it's Christian or Hindu or you know, Lajpat Nagar or Sarojini Nagar or Chennai, everything needs to stop. Please understand, how did this all happen?
You know, there's an article which went, I would like to give you one more example, Vimlendu. Vimlendu, one more example I want to give you, and then you completely finish. One more example.
No, don't give me examples.
I see an article put out in a global agency which says, these toxic Indian festivals. I repeat the words. These toxic Indian festivals are poisoning the waterways. Why? Because of Durga Puja, Hindu idol immersion. So then you are now making the water toxic. Hindu festivals are making the air toxic. Hindu festivals are killing animals. What are Hindu festivals not doing, Vimlendu?
What is this?
And Hindu festivals are also wasting oil.
Lungs are not Hindu or Muslim.
No. That's the point I'm making. But then why are you going on and on about it?
Or Muslim or Christian.
No, I'm not going about it. But the way this targeting is going on is a bit extreme.
Supreme Court is anti-Hindu.
Pardon me?
Nobody is targeting it. I don't know where do you.
No, but then why is it being said that Durga Puja idol immersion is poisoning waterways?
What is why? Sadhguru did it.
No, I'm asking. Why is there a ban? Why is no? Vimlendu, listen. Vimlendu, I'm not doing whataboutery. You are. You are doing the whataboutery.
Arnab.
You are.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm not.
Oh, you are.
I'm not. You're saying it's a Hindu.
Nirva is responding. Okay, I'll come back to you. Nirva is responding to you as well. Good debate. Okay, Nirva, on the debate, responding.
Yeah, so there are a lot of studies which actually suggest that firecrackers contribute very little to the pollution. There are stubble burning, which is more contributing factor to the pollution. Today, there were news that the Delhi air quality has dipped to very poor, and it's not even Diwali yet. Diwali is tomorrow. There are no firecrackers anywhere, despite that the air quality has dipped. So firecrackers as such are not contributing majorly to the pollution. Air is already polluted by many other factors, like the parali burning.
Agreed. Correct.
So let's stop that. Secondly, stop preaching.
Stop?
People generally are environment conscious. If you try to tell them कि ये मत करो, stop doing that, stop doing this, people will start rebelling.
Okay.
Most people in past so many years, they had consciously stopped.
This is the Supreme Court. Are we not having this discussion in contempt of the court of our country?
Let me finish, please. People like myself, I have grown up with so many firecrackers around me. Now, as I grew older, I reduced them to a greater extent. As I am environment conscious as well, but then when you stop, when you keep telling me mat karo, and only for my festival, there is no ban on lavish weddings, which happen on the celebrities and all. No ban there.